Good morning, everyone. I hope this video finds you doing well. My name is Jonathan Winder. I'm the K through 4 physical education teacher at Riverside USD 114 in Wathena and Elwood, Kansas. I grew up in Troy, Kansas and graduated from Troy High School in 2002. I have been happily married to my wife Callie for 13 years. We love the outdoors and enjoy staying active. My hobbies include golfing and biking. We currently reside in Platte City, Missouri. I'm a graduate of Missouri Western State University with a bachelor's degree in physical education. I've been teaching and coaching in the Wathena and Riverside district for 13 years. I began my career in Wathena, and 3 years in, we consolidated with a neighboring town, creating Riverside. My favorite part of this profession is building relationships with my students and the staff I work with. Being able to see my students grow and succeed is very rewarding to me. What is a mission statement? The mission of a school is simply a description of your school to the public. It explains to them who you are serving, your philosophy, and your overall goals. What is a vision statement? The vision of a school explains what your priorities are as a district and creates a picture of how you want to be viewed as a school. The role and importance of mission and vision. The mission and vision of a school have the power to create a standard of success in which a whole community believes in. The culture created from this shared belief amongst all stakeholders will be a firm foundation in which your school is built on. How mission and vision work together. These two statements go hand in hand in a sense. They both play a key role in keeping a school focused on its core belief and purpose. The process for developing a mission and vision. There are 4 key processes that I found. Number 1, casting the vision. Definitely need input from your staff. You need to collaborate with leadership teams, present it to the powers that be, and unveil it to your stakeholders. Number 2 is implementing the vision. You definitely want to connect with all your stakeholders again, assess your school's current needs, and live it daily. Number 3, communicating and branding the vision. You want to make a personal promise, deliver on the experience, and build on reputation. Number 4, sustaining the vision. It definitely needs to be embedded in your daily culture. You need to celebrate benchmarks when they're met, hire those with the same vision, and revisit when necessary. Developing an actionable mission and vision. When developing a vision or mission, it is important to use data collected from the community and your staff. Using the technology available to cast your vision and communicate your values to the public is key as well. All of this should be done with digital citizenship while keeping in mind the equity and diversity of the students, staff, and community that you serve. Characteristics of a well-written mission and vision statement. Number 1, they need to be academically focused. Obviously, there are other things that are important, but academics are key. Number 2, objectives are clearly expressed. Your statements need to be available and understood by all stakeholders. Number 3, they need to be clearly displayed. It needs to be an active part of the school environment. Number 4, needs to be present in the classroom. These statements need to be the base in which all your lessons are developed. Number 5, needs to be actively modeled. A mission and vision should be seen in the actions of the school's administration and staff. Some common problems with mission and vision statements. A lot of times they can be full of fancy language that doesn't have much to do with the way your school operates. Oftentimes, staff are not aware of what their school's vision or mission statement even says. Number 3, your vision and mission statements also can become dated and don't meet the current needs of your school. My personal critique on mission and vision statements. I'm going to be honest and transparent. I am guilty of not having our mission and vision memorized. Although after reading it, I do, however, feel that the mission is supported by my daily actions. Our mission at Riverside Schools is to provide a safe environment that empowers children to obtain their educational and personal potential as lifelong learners. What are some changes you could make to our mission? I think you could be critical of many statements, including ours. For example, it's too broad or too generic. However, I feel our statement fits our school and community. The number one goal in the statement is to give children a safe place to learn and grow. Many children in our demographic need just that. With safety comes a feeling of comfort and a confidence that empowers them to reach their potential. Standard correlation. This assignment about mission and vision correlated very well with the standard. It stressed the importance in developing strong statements that reflect the beliefs and values of your school community. Relevant. This assignment was very relevant to educational leadership. Administrators should have firsthand knowledge of the vision and mission of their school. They should also model it daily. I also developed a greater respect for what these statements mean to our school. My understanding of these have been enhanced through the research I've done. Reflection. As a future school leader, I will keep this assignment at the forefront of my leadership. Without a community-wide belief in the vision and mission, our school will never reach its full potential. Hope you all have a great day. Take care.